In just 8 clicks, you can find out how John Deere engine oil and Genuine filters stack up against the competition. It's really easy. First, enter your machine's annual usage and the amount of oil you need for each change. Next, enter the competitor's oil price per litre, the cost of their filter, and the number of hours they recommend between oil changes. Now you can compare it to the combination of John Deere's Plus 52 and a Genuine filter, which gives you 500 hours between changes. And that's it. The table shows you the annual cost of 3 different scenarios using all competitor equipment, combining John Deere oil and a competitor filter, and in the third column, all John Deere products. You can see the cost comparison at the bottom. Here, John Deere oil and filters is a clear winner in the terms of cost, with a saving of $842 over competitive oil and filters. It's that simple. Why not give it a try today? For all your genuine John Deere lubricants and filters, contact your local Heusler's branch.